My name is Steve Franklin. I own the Black Optix Tint franchise in Pensacola, Florida. I've been in the commercial manufacturing world for about 25 years now. And as I started to shop around for franchises, at this point really was not looking to start a business from ground up, so franchising made the right sense. And I looked at several franchises, but what really caught my attention with Black Optix was it felt like you were part of a family. It felt as if everyone was fully invested in your store, in the success of your store, and I just wasn't getting that with other franchises that I had done interviews with. So when I'm in the branch or in the shop full time, getting there in the morning, making sure the facility itself is ready to greet our customers as they enter the door, I want to be that motivator as the team walk in to get the shift started, keeping that positive energy flowing. And I tell my team all the time, this is not Steve's business, this is our business. So, making sure that we all take pride in what we do each and every day and work towards a set of common goals that brings all of us a certain level of satisfaction. Well, ultimately, I want to be the #1 Black Optix franchise. So if I was speaking to someone who was considering purchasing a Black Optix tint, my advice to them would be, don't wait. I see this brand going places, and now is the time to get in. I see the vision, I see the passion, and I see the energy and the drive behind moving it from just a vision to a reality. So I would say get in. It's going to be a fun ride.